Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wingman for AI meeting summaries and insights, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Wingman official website. Look for the download section on the home page. Click on the download link for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Wingman. When prompted, agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Choose your preferred installation location, or stick with the default option provided. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, open the Wingman application. You will be prompted to sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. If you're signing up, fill in the required information including your email and password. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to verify your account. After verification, return to the Wingman app and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be guided through an initial setup process. Connect Wingman to your preferred video conferencing tools. Follow the instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Set your preferences for meeting summaries and insights. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Test the application by joining a meeting and observing how Wingman captures summaries. Analyze the insights provided after your meeting to ensure everything is working correctly. Make adjustments to your settings as needed for optimal performance. Now you are fully set up to use Wingman for AI meeting summaries and insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.